for a new spiritual home. People in Christchurch understand that it takes many years to erect a building of high quality and complexity. We will proceed with a sense of urgency, but with great care.
Bishop Michael Giddens says it will be the first Catholic cathedral to be built in New Zealand for 120 years. The government has promised to raise concerns with Pakistan about the forcible deportation of Afghans. The humanitarian charity World Vision wrote to ministers in February asking that they urge the Pakistan government to stop its foreigners repatriation plans. Under the policy, more than 1.4 million Afghans must leave or be arrested or deported. This includes those who fled from the Taliban as the Islamist regime returned to power in 2021. World Vision's Andrew Robinson says ministers have told the charity that officials will do so at the next appropriate opportunity. In sport, championship leader Will Brown has overhauled Australian teammate Brock Feedy in a tense battle to win the second and final race at the Australian Supercars round in Tokyo. Brown drove aggressively over the closing stages to notch his third win of the season and open up a 71-point lead at the top of the standings. Tokyo's first staging of the Supercars Championship round attracted a total attendance of nearly 70,000 fans across 3 days. The Top Cats have added 2 wins from 2 in Netball's ANZ Premiership after beating the Stars 59-54 in Christchurch. It was the second loss for the Stars, who fought back from a 6-goal half-time deficit to lead during the third quarter before being overrun. And that's the news.
Henry Mancini was responsible for a lot of great TV and movie tunes. This week he would have turned 100. So on Inside Out, I'm celebrating the great composer with jazz takes on some of his greatest themes, including Peter Gunn, Charade, and The Pink Panther. Mancini turns 100 on Inside Out with me, Nick Tipping, tonight at 11 on RNZ National.
Here on rnz.co.nz and on your mobile. Here's a brand new short forecast now from mid-service to midnight tomorrow in Northland to Taranaki, including Coromandel Peninsula. Fine spells and isolated showers clearing south of Northland tomorrow. Bay of Plenty in Taupo, scattered showers, some heavy with possible thunderstorms this evening, mainly fine tomorrow. Gisborne and Hawke's Bay, scattered rain or showers clearing overnight, showers returning for a time tomorrow. Greenery and Tag at Wellington also Wairarapa, scattered light showers clearing this evening, fine spells tomorrow with scattered evening showers. Nelson, Marlborough and Canterbury mainly fine, however scattered showers in Marlborough and Canterbury tomorrow afternoon and evening. Possible late shower in Nelson tomorrow. Bulla and Westland, a few showers developing this evening, then clearing tomorrow. Otago, Southland and Fiordland, showers about Fiordland and coastal Southland, spreading elsewhere this evening, then clearing tomorrow. And the Chatham Islands, a few showers developing this evening, some heavy, late tomorrow. 6:15, we'll have more news and weather at 7 o'clock. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Sunday night on RNZ National. Right now, a new episode of The Hui with Julian Wilcox.